Hey traders, Shane from GMTfutures. Welcome. I'm going to take you through the initial stop on our trend trader system. So let's have a look at exactly how the initial stop is set up. Okay traders, so we're looking at a Euro US dollar Renko 5 brick Renko chart, and what I'm going to do is show you our initial entry here. Now remembering that we get an entry when we basically break resistance, so we're looking for a long entry here, and we've got a break of resistance there. So we're breaking resistance, and the entry point there is 129.23. Now, basically, what we've got when we get into a long setup, so the long entry there, we close there at 129.23. Our stop, now your initial stop when you're testing the trend trader system up, or when you're testing one of the strategies up, you're determining your initial stop. So when you're doing your back testing or your back testing exercise, you've got to determine what kind of initial stop you're going to test. Some of you may decide that 20 pips is suitable. Others may decide a 30 pip stop is more appropriate. So whatever you decide, though, you've got to be consistent with your analysis and with your testing. So what I've chosen here is I've chosen an initial stop of 30 pips. So what that means is that initial stop stays in the market. So that's your initial stop. Now obviously as price moves in your direction, as you can see, this price pushes up, retraces, and then goes again. We're going to talk about some of our trailing stop options here in the next video, but this initial stop is important because any time we go into the market, we always need to have that initial stop. So traders, you can see there that 128.93 is our initial stop, 30 pips below where our entry was. So basically we've got our initial stop, and that's always a hard stop in the market, just to be sure that in case this trade doesn't work out in our favor, we've always got that initial stop in the market.